Access thousands of royalty-free clips in YouTube's audio library. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. When looking for royalty-free music and sound effects, I go to YouTube's audio library. There are thousands upon thousands of tracks to choose from and more coming online every week. If you haven't used it yet, the easiest way to find YouTube's audio library is to type it in Google. It's the first result you'll get. To access the audio library, though, you'll need to sign in with a Google account. If you don't have a YouTube account yet, that's okay. You don't need one. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is go to the Attribution tab on the right and change it to No Attribution Required. Now, all searches you do will bring up results that do not require attribution. That way, giving credit for the tracks you're using is one less thing for you to remember to do when you're creating your videos. You can refine your search by a number of parameters. The first one is genre. In the drop-down, there's a wide variety like cinematic, hip-hop, jazz, rock, and more. The next option is mood. You can pick from bright, calm, dramatic, funky, etc. Your next choice is by instrument. This doesn't mean that it's the only instrument in the track, but the prominent one. And then there's duration. This is important because if you can find a track you like that's timed right for your video, it will save you time by not having to edit. When you find an interesting looking track, you can preview it by clicking the play button. On the far right is the download button. Save the MP3 to the desired folder, and it's that easy. Don't forget that you also have access to all kinds of fun sound effects. However, in sound effects, you can only search by category. I thought that this was worth sharing with you because I find that YouTube's audio library is an excellent resource and more than satisfies my needs for video music tracks and sound effects. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.